Alrighty, guys. So we're back with our second Riftbound box, the Slim from China, for Origins, the first set. Again, those are the pull rates. Little seal. Let's get it open. I feel like I had a decent first box. Hopefully this one will prove to be the same. I feel like you can't really go wrong pulling a lot of these cards. They're beautiful, interesting. Pack number 1. Oh, we got Legend MF. This guy. Or not Legend, I'm sorry. This is Champion MF. Rotting Captain. And one of the dragons, I'm assuming. Or mechanical dragon. Or icy dragon or whatever. I like the little Marauding Captain, looks funny. Brazen Buccaneer. Kiana Champion. I like these little 5-card packs. They're quick, straight to the point. Kind of hope we get side sets in this game quickly. I like having little fun side sets where you have just different skins or different versions of cards, or maybe just like entirely different cards in general. Challenge. Oh, Hidden Blade. One of the arenas. Ooh, not sure what card that is. Looks cool though. Ooh, Carnivorous Snapvine. I believe this is a playable card. I remember playing this one. I'll just put it over here. It's pretty cool. Karma. I had no mechanics, so Karma was one of my favorite champions. Yeah, this is a Volibear Altart champion. So it's got a little bit of texturing up here. Volibear himself doesn't really have any. And then it also has like a matte texture right here, which is pretty cool. It's got like 3 different types of foiling. Got the regular traditional foil. I got the more ulti kind from Yu-Gi-Oh! And then you just got this like matte. Interesting. Cool card. Not sure if that one's playable or if the other one is. I know one of them's more playable than the other. At least from when I played the game. Trendamere. So I'm really glad that so far in these 2 boxes I haven't really pulled dupes yet. That's kind of the sheer amount of foils there are in this set since it's so large. I was worried that I might pull a few dupes in the limited cards that I had, or limited packs. There's certain like commons and stuff that are definitely a little, like this one I haven't seen yet, but this guy I've seen like 5 times. I don't know if this is Garbage Collector. I'm not too sure. But he looks cool. Gotten that one a decent amount. That one too. This guy was one of the later reveals too. Not sure if it's playable or not. Definitely giving Void vibes. Hopefully I'm not opening them too slow for you guys. Kind of just want to savor each card. Ooh, that definitely is a good pull, at least initially. Oh, I got 2 legends. Oh, this is a great pack. I got Ari, beautiful card, and I got Set. I feel like I pulled at least half of the legends so far in 2 boxes. Really happy with my pull so far. They're not like, you know, pulling the most expensive cards or anything, but some of them are pretty good value, and then some of them are just pretty cool, especially just to look at. Oh, this is a foil version of one of the earlier cards. So I guess that's kind of like a hit or miss. If you get a good card or not, you might not get a great foil of a common or an uncommon. You're kind of praying you get a good one, because then it would be worth something if you're trying to sell it. Otherwise, you're just missing out on an epic. I guess that's the downside of these slim boxes. I think that's On Guard. Ooh, Vi, nice. That is a playable card, at least 2 or 3 of in some decks. This is one of the first reveals after the decks. Jinx's spell, stupefy again, or challenge, I can't remember, challenge. Oh, Echo, hell yeah. This is a card I really want. Echo is one of my favorite champions in the game. Alrighty, about halfway through, if not a little bit more than halfway through. speed up a little bit. Ooh, a hollow battlefield. I don't know if I've seen one of these yet. That's dope. I'm gonna keep that one to the side. That one's pretty cool. I think that is a playable battlefield too. Haven't seen this guy yet. Deflect, I think. I've seen a lot of Trundle. This is definitely a spell, but got GP on it. Actually really happy about this. Don't recall seeing hollow battlefields anywhere so far. That's a card that's going to stay on the field. It's nice to have shiny everywhere. The hunt for shiny cardboard. I don't know if I pulled this guy in the other box. I feel like I pulled the other one, the blue guy. But 4 recycles, kind of crazy. Don't know if he's good. In prison. There's the non-foil version of that card. Another foil common or uncommon. Still got to learn the bottom ones, the bottom part of the card, whatever rarity it is. I think it says it on the box somewhere or not. I think that was another later reveal. That guy shows up way too much. Oh, the non-foil version of the guy I pulled earlier. Ooh, and my first hollow dupe. Legend Victor. That's kind of sad. I think this is just a spell. I don't believe this is a seal. But it looks cool. And it might be playable. Unfortunate. We got a dupe of this, but it's to be expected. So far this box has been okay. There's nothing I've been going crazy over. Nothing where I'm like super excited about it. Oh, there we go. Jinx Champion. I believe Red Jinx is the more popular / playable one. Great card, great hit. Just in terms of playability at least. Unfortunately, the Jinx overnumber is a go. Unplayable. Hopefully I do not hit it. If I hit it instead of Lee Sin, I would be sad. Might cry actual tears. Stop giving me him. I believe this is also the dupe. Looks cool though. In our final pack, give me an over number, please. The non-hollow version of that guy. Ooh, the other Kaisa. I pulled both of them. Hell yeah. Not sure which one's more playable. Or which one's better. But yeah. Let's see. Let's go quickly over our pulls. this is the one I'm most happy about, even though it's probably not worth anything. Just didn't know you could pull hollow battlefields. This was my favorite pack, the Double Legend set Ari. The the Alt Art Volibear. Dope texturing. Really happy about that one as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching.